My friends, hello everyone. I have the most beautiful OnePlus countertop which just came out anew this model which called North CE3 Lite 5G phone underscore me an extremely cool color. It seems it's just some kind of lime hit color. I have a 256GB version internal memory and 8GB of memory used. Here is such a black box, OnePlus North CE3 Lite 5G name underscore long. Of course difficult to remember. But I think that the rustle of the phone is for sure will do, and a fan of OnePlus is possible. Imagine his place for shopping. Let's unpack the Nort black box. The ruler generally refers to this mid-budget is not a flagship van. Plus, I'll say right away that this is not space. Dear OnePlus sales start already soon. On AliExpress, the message I will leave in description can be viewed. Sale starts soon. Cart ad like this. Here is such a lime. OnePlus sign behind the glass is just awesome. I said a long time ago, what the hell do some kind of salad please color in phones, and then tired of these uniform blue colors, white, black. I want something fresh, and look what it looks like in the spring. Yes, it looks awesome here. 3 camera system, 1, 2, 3, flash round, so healthy. Also the logo is OnePlus, made it all in China global version with European charging the power button on the side. Plastic painted to match the color of the back cover. Slightly darker color, back cover lighter. Button switching on weight adjustment is on the left is SIM tray bottom headphone. Jack good. What to save speaker charging connector microphone at the top, another microphone camera mass media. So the screen is already pasted protective film from the factory. Like this phone comes quickly charging 67-watt superwoofer branded charging. And of course red cable USB type. See branded OnePlusovsky immediately on this cable. You can understand that this is our OnePlus. They love these cable do red, white. And so still in the kit, in an envelope goes here such a silicone transparent case for phone protection. There is a paper clip. So where is it? She flew away somewhere. She should be here for some reason. The place under it is strange. Where does she go? Maybe I didn't notice. And a paper clip to open the SIM tray. So opening the hammer, look what you can install here. Or you can 2 SIM card or 1 SIM card, 1 flash drive. That there is a combination tray. For some reason, there are no rubber seals. I usually do. Now modern phones are not here. Not protected from water. Be careful underscore nice color, but rare. Rarely. These colors are now made in telephony. Well, turn on the pancake. I wonder if it's glass or not. Such plastic. But it looks like glass you represent, dear friends. Glass is plastic, but most likely on the glass. This is the coating, but this plastic is really plastic, sidewall plastic, back plastic, and before already glass. So, well, it started for me. Phone means we have length here. 16.5 centimeters. Width, 7.5 centimeters. Thickness, 8.3 mm. Weight, 195 grams. These are the dimensions of this one. The phone is installed here. IPS screen is not AMOLED, is now a rarity. We see phones more and more often. AMOLED screens are still IPS frame. Well, not speak loudly thinner frames, but not quite thick. That is, here is such a bottom chin. Here is such a side frame. And like this here, the front camera is located appearance underscore. The hand is quite comfortable. The button is conveniently located in a convenient place. Food at a convenient location is 2 volume adjustment buttons. Ergonomics of the phone. Yes, a little big. The diagonal here is 6.72 well. As it were, you can download the resolution is full HD plus 2400 by 1080 ratio side 29. And this gives us 391 pixels on 1 by 1 inch is good Gorilla Eyeglass protective is installed here. There is a transfer mode. There is a light mode power regulator. Or in automatic mode, you can also put here adjust screen color palette on your own natural colors. Love the bright colors which were originally installed change fonts like OnePlus. Yes, here there are 3 fonts to choose from, like the rest OnePluses. That is, like this font, and like this. But they then little from a friend, really. You can also resize this font a little more, a little less, make further display scale too, can be enlarged a little so that everything is larger, interface displayed larger, change auto screen off. How long will it auto turn off update frequency here? The frequency is 120 Hz, which is cool because that the screen is smooth. You can remove 3 touch buttons and go to control gestures like on iPhones. But on Android, I prefer the standard 3 buttons shell. It works on the oxide of the same nose as an all OnePlus and Oxygen's 131 data moment installed, and Android 213 version underscore fresh Android oxide same nose. I have version 8 256 of this phone extension is possible by 88 GB of your memory. 8 is still a plus. Extensions in total will be about 16 GB internal memory. 256 gigs in general is flash drive ____. In fact, you don't need 256 gigs. I think a lot is enough installed Snapdragon 695 processor. There's already a lot of it popular. Now, average performance is gaining about 400,000 in Antutu. His pluses are that he cold, does not heat up, does not throttle. It has support for 5G, is made on 6 nanometers. Well, in stock for the future here, there is a real processor, not bad in Antutu. If you look, yes, then about 400,000 high performance mode. It even a little more than 400,000 issued. These 411 is generally a good result at 34 degrees, warmed up to 34, so that's how I went to high power construction site, high battery mode performance. Here it is. In such cases, the protocol has already tested Antutu to multi-touch. 10 gave more points. Touches confident NFC module is memory speed standard conform UVS 2.2 throttling. No at all. Well, he's here 411,000 a little bit. Yes, unusually after AMOLED screens are back to IPS, as if you are returning to yours there. I am not native town. Yes, after some kind of metropolis, everything is some kind unusual, a little so dull. Yes, a few of these are, as it were, calmer paints. I've only just begun to get used to. Well, I already have quite a long-time phone. The main probability of occurrence here is IPS, and that's when you return to IPS. All that something unusual at the same time. I love IPS screens for what they are. Give out natural colors like AMOLED. It's that they don't dry out the eyes so much. Not so much eyes get tired after them, and basically they burn out with them. Less problems. Cons of AMOLED screens, by the way. It's good that they made a scanner here right in the office, turning on. Yes, works perfectly simple. It is worth touching lightly, and the phone unlocked have unlocked by the face. Also works like it does on everyone. Phones look at the screen, recognizes you. Either he doesn't know what he doesn't want to know along the way. I have not yet posted my face here. That's all, and runs the system very. I'm interested in flash here is powerful. Look how huge, just nigga flash yourself here, done like a ring. A ring in general, LED in the center. But here is somehow done with a ring. Diamonds like a rosette reel or some kind of daisy-shaped chamomile flash. Oh, I have quite a few. I'm running away. I'm afraid I'm unarmed. Someone behind. I'm running here. I can't. It's not clear where it's flying from. Let's lie down so that they don't notice us. I don't know where we are generally in a small circle. I hope no one sees here. You have to crawl to some house from there. I'll crawl. Oh, they're shooting, guys. I'm scared, just on the verge. What beautiful graphics and how smooth everything is. Goes 120 hertz and barely caught heating here, 695 cold chip. For sure there who is there, whom I don't have there already. Exceptional life. There is not. It's enough to scurry. Move. Need to be active. Oops. It's that the machines are standing here. They can't be whether to take. I didn't understand what came running here. Where is the weapon? Gotta get down there, guys. Applause. Shooting nearby, I hear over here. Well, yes, the sound is stereo on this phone. It's cool, everything is so loud with stereo, just fun to listen to music stereo, but play games immediately. Something else different. Feel immediately game. So well, that's all. I'm ready to, guys. I'm too ready to help you. I'm ready to help. Who is here arises. Let's go help my friend, so I run up to a very dangerous poisoning. There was something of suitcases lying around. There is nothing in the suitcase. Shots were fired here, but I can't see. He has a few more suitcases. Here it was hard needing to watch the guys. What's left? Suitcases. I even have a first aid kit. So well, there is no one to see. Maybe someone here in the mountains. Go to the noise shots. Someone was shooting here. Shoots. Oh, that's all back from the roof. So now on cameras, the camera here at 108 megapixels is barely noticeable. Additional modulation in total, 2. Megapixel _plugs is a macro lens and camera for portraits. But the main module is here really cool. 108 megapixels Samsung autofocus with flash, but without the optical density of the front camera at 16 megapixels. Okay, like this camera app Zoom here 6 times, video recording record keeping full HD or HD up to 30 frames in seconds. This is sad, no 60 frames. Why is it so incomprehensible? Would like smoother videos. Front camera full HD and HD Snapdragon 695 does not support 4K recording video is a night mode. Further is portrait mode has slow motion accelerated extra HD is pictures in 108 megapixel mode must be kept hands, optical stub and pretty picture twitches a lot, but do not forget that this is an average phone price category flagship quality. It turned out at 108 megapixels. Something somehow not detailed at all. One photo in 108 megapixels. Well, it's good at least that he gives a lot zoom. And so the pictures, Well, honestly admit not really pulling on 108, but not especially easy. Photo on the text, it is enough to photograph the text. Something else. Well, now still on the street little picture. Well, frankly, the pictures are not fountain on the street now, is also the weather. The snow has just fallen. Everything is so dark, gloomy, this is the weather right now. Well, honestly, yes, to capture it will be better. Somehow she's like Doubles or Trinity, even here are the photos comes out. No need to straight, do not hold it straight with your hands twitched while photographing to picture was not blurred. Everything is so primitive. What's here? Remember the video 4K. No pictures turn out pretty simple. 108 megapixels. Yes, there is HDR, there is here high resolution. Oh wait, extra HD, and for some reason there is still a high, the resolution is that it changes. Here is high resolution, 108 megapixels. Yes, an extra HD is that, not 108 megapixels. Interesting, what does extra HD mean to take a 108 megapixel photo? Still need to find this mode of children. Yes, don't know the cameras are really like that medium to 4 with, it seems to me. Well, there is no width, but this generally sad full HD 60 frames. No, but also sadly there is no optical stub. Do you have original cameras? Primitive? Well, damn, I don't know. I expected more than OnePlus and maybe still damp firmware because he's here the other day just came out. Maybe with firmware will be finalized. Well, for now, somehow. So the camera is good here. Pretty sure it's Samsung XM6 module updated a year ago. It was considered more or less fresh. Same module costs, for example, in Infinix 12 Pro and Realm 10 Pro and Realm 10 Pro Plus and Realm 9 4G last year's same module costs. Samsung Galaxy M53 5G, Xiaomi 12T 12. Usually iPro, that is. Well, a lot in what other phones are still installed, such a module. Well, of course it is not. Flagship is more so average level. Or maybe slightly above average here. What makes me happy is the sound. The sound is here just very loud. It's stereo, full stereo. There is also extra loud. Here, the battery is exactly the same. 5,000. I think if the battery is different, 5,000 is a rarity. Now almost 5,000 of all Androids is Androids. Oh, iPhones always have everything there differently here. Exactly 5,000 is loaded. It's about 80% in 30 minutes. It needs to be fully charged about 45 minutes somewhere, a little less to completely from 0 to 100. It charge in general is good automatic accuracy. However, depending on how to use average somewhere around a day and a half, it can enough if you turn on the mode there. Energy saving, if not particularly there. Live up to 4G constantly, don't sit through way. Fi is connected. If you sit at home there, for example, somewhere else is better. Wi-Fi, of course, to climb the internet. Here. Well, and it's a perfectly normal phone because OnePlus, maybe a few years update users usually update their flagship models numbered OnePluses there, 11, 10, 9. But such Nord models, they will also be several, I think, and 14 Android and maybe even 15. But OxyGNs, I will be at least 3 years here. I think new to arrive, it's already in any way in all the norms of bodies. But you can't for anything here catch on good, such a good workhorse. But there are already a lot of such phones, and, well, the same CE2, for example. Yes, Nord CE2, Lite, the very same Realm 9 Pro, Realme 10 Pro. That's about all because of the same price category characteristics. For example, North CE2. Lite was a copy of Realme 9 Pro. This phone is very similar according to the characteristics of AA on Real MFA 10 less. Here are these in any upper a little bit. Still, they matter too. So here is such a OnePlus turned out to me, love the color. Great color, awesome color, bright, so saturated. Such a cool green, hilarious, cool done design. Too good message, I will leave it in the description soon. Sale starts if you don't need flagship OnePlus 1110 Pro. Yes, there's some ace about that you can take here. This is the budget average level for you. Plus, that's all with you was Timur. Everyone, thanks for watching OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G. Bye-bye.